Jumbo, Hotep Kings and Queens. Karibu to this episode of the So Did You Know lecture, where we share ancient African history and we enlighten our black brothers and sisters.
So be it. Go so be it.
One of the most prominent Pan-African leaders of all time once said, "A people without the knowledge of its past history, past religion, art, and culture is like a tree without roots." These are the words of the famous Mr. Marcus Garvey said. And seeing that today is a Wednesday is a day of healing for us African people. Let us honor and remember our ancient African gods and goddesses. Let's honor our prophets. Let's honor our prophetesses. Let's honor guys like the Honorable Mr. Marcus Garvey by knowing our roots. Let's read an ancient African prayer honoring our ancestors on this special Wednesday. Prayer to you, all the angels of the celestial throne, source of our existence. Prayer to you, the seven angels who sit at the court of Nzambi. Prayer where the sun rises and where the sun sets. Prayer to the east and to the west. Prayer to you, Nzambi, solar creator, Mbumbaloa. Prayer to you, governors of humanity, Mpinanza. Prayer to you, all angels of the earth and the air. Prayer to you, all the angels who manage water and fire. Prayer to you, the great spirit of Congo, Africa. Prayer to you, all the angels of war who control the center of Congo, Africa. Prayer to you, all the angels of victory, Mbazi Zalunungu, who fight in the four corners of the heavens and the earth. In the name of the work that you entrusted to me in front of the heavens and the earth, I repeat it 3 times. Make so that your holy benediction can fill the hearts of those who will rise to help those people of Congo, Africa. I repeat it to you 3 more times, and I address myself to those who will despise my work by ignorance. I will beg Nzambi so that he forgives them and that he opens the way of comprehension to them. I swear in the name of all envoys who were killed in Congo, Africa, in Asia and in America and Europe, may their spirits curse these horrid individuals who will have caused death and desolation to the people of Africa. Be they white or black, may they be destroyed and sent to the spiritual prisons of the heavens. I repeat it 3 more times before the heavens and the earth. Beware to those who continue to seek desolation in the 4 corners of the world. Come, O Nzambi, come. I call you as well as the angels of war, Mbazi Zamvita, in order to lead a combat against this world of darkness, Nsiyabubu. Beware to those who continue to reinforce the slave system and the colonization of the black people. Nzambi, you are a living God. I unceasingly beg you, Ngieti Gufiogonena, in the name of the blood poured by all your envoys and their humiliations, I ask it to you, and I recommend it to you, O Nzambi of love. Come with the angels from the heavens and the earth to destroy this humanity of darkness that continues to make fun of your majestic love. May your alliance be sanctified and bless the African people and the black race of all humanity. So be it. Sure.
So, tribe, support our Sons of SOU channel. You know we're bringing the light. Like. Because you care, share. And don't wait another moment. Comment. So, tribe. Subscribe. Let us know Mambo on our socials below. Sawa? Kwaheri, So tribe.